Yeah, bumper clots. Now you can. Oh, hold on, that's him. Hello, mate. Are you for the bolts? Oh, yeah, I recorded this. That's good.
Huh?
We recorded the whole transaction. This is how we make money, boys and girls. Geezers come, we sell them some quality parts for not much money. We can see Duke today, that's the main part, and check out his motherfucking pimp ride. This is the Bugatti Veyron.
Oh, and I haven't fitted it in yet.
Uh-oh, another fucking gadget.
A flip screen stereo.
Damn. I want one, but I really need one with sat-nav on it.
This got sat-nav built in, just need to buy the adapter.
Has it?
The adapter in it.
Has it got sat-nav?
Yeah, it got sat-nav. Then plus the battery, you can connect your phone to it.
Oh, mate, maybe you want to sell it to me?
No. I'm going to show it on my car. Put it on
You're a cunt, mate. I need one of them.
Well, I'll pay you only 60 quid on Facebook. 60 quid on Facebook.
Yeah, well, you owe me 50 quid anyway, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to rob that in a minute.
Yeah, no, I'm putting them wheels on the...
If you find me one,
well, if I find you one, I'll always send you a link or I'll buy you one. Now I've got a job, I'll be able to probably get you one.
Yeah, fucking right. I've heard that before.
Wait, that fucking thing, I'm sure it's a spy satellite or something.
Yeah.
Like really bright. It's watching us, man. They're always watching us, Duke. Oh, shit. God damn, we're stuck now. Oh, shit, we can't see anything. Can't see me, can't see Duke. Can't see shit. That was good timing, actually. Now we got some dineros for some back-in energy drink.
This bacon is not just useless, but they're complete and utter cunts.
Tutto tem cena canale.
Get your house down, let's go! Light him up! Go inside now! Get in the house!
Get in!
Звери.
Animals, fucking animals. Okay, so he's got a turbo.
You can't see me, look.
Is this turbo?
Yeah, that's turbo, yeah.
Is this turbo? Oh yeah, it is.
You hear the whistle?
Yeah, mate. It is turbo as well. God damn.
I've got a dump valve as well on it.
God damn.
But I haven't got the exhaust on it yet. I'll need to get the exhaust and it'll give it a sound. It'll make the little bump.
No, it's a nice car. Nothing's fucking like rattling or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice car. Very nice and solid. Much better than new pieces of shit.
Yeah.
Every time in a small
anyway.
box, we say this shit. Do not ever buy a piece of shit new cars. They just rob you for your cash. Look, this is £300 and you would end up paying £300 a month for fucking condom Yaris or Corsa or fucking what are they?
C2.
Like did you see that? Yeah, C2.
C2.
Fucking Vauxhall Adam. What the fuck?
Adam,
I think if you are buying Vauxhall Adam, you are straight
Adam
having you're straight having Adam fucking you in the batty. Definitely. And your favorite name is Adam because he fucks you in the back. But anyway, Duke hasn't been watching our Smokebox channels. God damn! I'm fucking scared now. Calm down, mate. I haven't got my seatbelt on. Motherfuckers, mate. That's it. You fucking slow this shit down. I fucking hate when other people drive. Mate, yeah, nice suspension. Is it original suspension?
Huh?
Is it original suspension?
Yeah. No, whatever.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
Fuck, it's been going so quick, my cigarette has gone out. We're not allowed to say the, what's that, Salika now? Oh!
Well, I hate the bus.
Yeah, black man is listening to some rock. What is it?
I got Bob Marley on it as well.
Yeah, put some Bob Marley on. We're nearly nearing the destination.
Yeah, I've got 415 songs on here.
Nice.
So I can't find Bob Marley yet. So I get a copy.
Mate, you gotta find me one of those fucking flip out screen jobbies. Gonna start building E34 soon, because it's been like dismantled.
Oh, really? You're E34?
Well, no, it's not dismantled, but inside it's all like it was basically.
Maybe you can drive it, but...
No, but just to see, seats are in. Seats are quality.
Yeah.
Mate.
But yeah, what I'm planning to do, if I do buy my Salika, I'm putting a seat in there.
This is Duke's Beast. Nice. What's this shit?
This is meant to be the tiny box.
Oh, hold on.
That's the
Oh yeah, now we can see it.
Oh, okay.
Now, nice colour.
Yeah, this
Is it originally this colour?
It's green, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I got it. And look at that, it got eyelid as well.
That's good, man.
I
I thought it was a wrap. Man, you need to keep this.
That's why I'm keeping it.
This
That's
is-
why I got it, because you know the purple one? The purple one was the original colour. No, it wasn't the original colour. The purple one was made.
Yep.
Yeah, the purple one was made. This one is that's your letter. That's your letter, isn't it?
Oh, you're made.
Yeah, the green one is your letter.
Yeah, this is
And then
nice.
I've got that paint.
I thought this was a wrap, but clearly.
No, it's not that. That's your original paint. I've got a paint code as well.
Nice.
So I can paint it, I can repaint it again. And then I've got a splitter from the purple one. So I've got a splitter from the purple one as well.
Nice wheels. You carved them, yup.
No, I haven't done it, but I've got a thing. I haven't bothered to do it because the rubber is shit.
Yeah,
No,
me
I'm
too,
not
man.
bothered to put the rim blade, but the rim blade was done there.
It's not lowered, is it? It's not lowered.
It's lower, but not lower than my purple one. My purple one's lower. But I can go lower. Look. Got Poland.
Oh yeah, you can.
Oh my God, dude, hey! Kill somebody,
I am going to go lower. I'm going lower for this to tip about there. Just about there. If you look at it carefully, the front is lower, the back end.
Oh dear, oh dear. Even our Ruski comrades are at it.
Отечественный автопром.
Don't touch.
My Audi.
That's good, mate. Well, it's nice colour. It's not dented or anything, is it?
No, nothing.
That's awesome.
These ignore this because you know why? I'll show you something else.
Don't put a stupid spoiler on it.
Yep, I did. You might say stupid, but my friend, it is not fucking stupid. It's not my old one, though.
Oh dear.
It's not my old one.
Well, let's go. I've seen enough. Anyway, we're gonna do a full review of this car.
Yeah, no, I mean, look at it from another angle. This is part of
Damn,
my friend's
Duke.
house.
Duke is wearing this uniform, by the way, so that here we can see him finally. Finally, we can see him.
Look, now look at how, now you can't tell me that that's not nice. With the colour.
Yeah, that's nice. I love this
That's what I'm
colour.
saying.
I love this
I
colour.
do like the colour too.
Right, let's go. Fucking cold.
I don't know.
Close your boot. I don't know how to close it. That's what happens in February. It's cold.
Indeed, my friend, indeed. The colour that I just showed you, it was a different one, but I have another one too. I have
Oh
two.
my god.
Carbon fibre. Up to 4.
Damn.
That's carbon fibre.
You
But
got
I-
both of them still.
I still got both of them. The other one is at my mate's house in Helsham, and the carbon fibre one is at my other mate's house. Look, this is how big.
You're one crazy motherfucker, I tell you that.
Look, got
God damn.
my mate's daughters in there with the ring and the
God
per table.
Mate, post me some of these pics. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do a series about this. We're gonna call it the Green Honky Hornet.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
look at that. My mate's got
Yeah.
the colour look really
Nah,
good.
man, I love this colour. Well done, man. It's
Oh, yeah,
nice
there you go,
stuff.
the rim blade's done there. The rim blade's done there. Obviously, it got a bit dirty because of the mud in there, but the rim blade's done there.
Awesome, Dukey Duke. Hard working man and fed staking shit. Same as me here.
Hey, I know, man, fucking know.
You gonna go for it? It's okay. There's gonna be a war against Fed soon.
You fucking... I spent about a year on that car before, and then I only had it for 2 days, and the car got taken.
Yeah, well, yeah, I've spent about 2 years on my E36 now. I'm skinned, can't even fucking build it.
Yeah.
But it's okay, baby. Ups and downs in this game. Ups and downs. And soon there's gonna be ups of our dick, and all these cunts who shaft us are gonna get shafted, I'm sure. I can feel it coming in the air.
Yeah.
Mate. Mate, I'm shocked about how nice this car is, guys, actually. We're gonna do a proper review, and we're actually gonna do a lineup of the best like cars to own. Like nothing crazy shit. Like cars to own, maintain. So keep tuned, motherfuckers.
I mean, if we look at the miles, 202,000 miles.
Exactly, and what will happen to a modern car, 200,000 miles, disintegration, and driver's masturbation.
Yeah.
Because he would masturbate all over it for the first like week. And then he would grab his knob and like think what the fuck to do.
Yeah, well, obviously, I'm going to wait for another 8,000 miles and the clock comes in, and then I'm going to, not this year, another 8,000 miles, but I'm going to have an eventual 8,000 miles, and hopefully, by then I'll have to might rebuild the engine again.
You do what?
Might rebuild the engine again. Save it. Basically, rebuild it again.
Yeah, you're gonna get rich. Actually, yeah, our program's gonna get famous, so Dukey Duke is gonna get paid soon for his inputs. Oh, Popo. Goddamn. Oh, no, it's not. It's a fucking... Oh, yeah, no, these cunts. I thought it was damn police. I think this weed's getting me paranoid. No, it's not, actually not smoking making
Oh,
me
no, someone got a
paranoid.
green car like me.
Oh, yeah. But no respect to them. That's what you
Quarter.
get. Piece of shit.
It's a quarter. I've just, there's also another car that also had the same car as me, and that is the Skoda.
No, mate, when it's a nice sunny day, we are doing a review of this car.
I've got a picture of the car.
And yet again, we were too slow to make a...
That's what I was trying to find a minute ago.
because again, he got rid of it.
Nice.
Because again of some popo. So to stay ahead of the game, you have to be flexible.
Any sort of exercise.
Это очень хорошая прическа. Nice haircut.
Me, I know.
Probably your haircut made by some really proper guy.
First, you need to fucking stretch because this kind of exercise can bring you a lot of fucking injuries.
Ну давай, закидывай ноги уже.
Hold on. Here goes one. I used to be able to do this shit.
Все, you quite old.
I used to be able to do this shit easy.
You can't.
Нет.
Вот и я так же. Надо растяжка. Обе? Одновременно?
Нет. А вот так ты можешь?
Дурак ужасно. It's so disgusting. Как будто ты бед инвалид. He had few drinks of Jack Daniels here before. That's why he smoked like a ящерка. Шрыжерочка.
Короче, у нас спор, может кто-нибудь заложить ногу за голову? Ну попробуй. You almost can't. Ну ничего.
Нет, ты давай, делай это с ним.
Okay, I stop filming.